Algún problema?
Tell me where to find Horst Schiller.
Who are you?
You held a gun to my wife's head. She was terrified.
You have the wrong guy.
Yeah, I know. You didn't pull the trigger. So, tell me where to find him.
This is a joke, I don't get it.
It's not a joke. This is a remote that controls a device that's been decompressing the air between the sheets of glass beneath you. If I trigger it, the glass will shatter. So tell me where he is, or swim very fast.
You have the wrong person.
No. I have exactly the right person.
No,